I had a problem with the sprinkler head, and I called. Somebody answered right away, and they came out within 2 days. It was quick turnaround, no problems. I went online, did a little research, traveled through a couple neighborhoods, and reached out to a real estate agent, looked at a few houses, and walked into the one in Ironstone, and I had no reason not to purchase the house. It was everything I was looking for. You're in the middle of Edmond, so it's a perfect location, plus all the shopping that's around in the area just makes it really convenient. I'm only 10 minutes away from work. I've always had like a bath and shower combo, so it's amazing how convenient it is just to have a nice walk-in shower that's easy and spacious. I was always in the know, never had any issues with communication. Anytime I needed to reach out and I had a question, it was answered almost immediately. Oh, I would definitely recommend Homes by Tabor. I mean, probably the easiest thing I've ever done. I thought it'd be hard and scary, you know, trying to buy my first house, and easy as eating a piece of pie. I don't know. It's just super easy.